What is all of this? My lovely German Shepherd chewed the charger. All right, so hi guys. It is Friday and I'm gonna upload this today, and I'm in such a good mood today because it's Friday and it's gonna be the May long weekend, and that means you get Saturday, Sunday, Monday off, and I get to film and edit and have things pre-filmed so that you guys can have videos and I don't have to miss any more videos. And I'm also gonna learn how to drive the car more, and I'm gonna take you guys along with us to see that. And I bought a gold face mask, so there's a bunch of things coming up and I'm so excited and I can't wait to share them with you guys. So that is very exciting. It is like summer outside and I'm so excited. I know I'm in like a coat, but it's kind of chilly, so I'm wearing like a Roots sweater, which is really cute, and then just like a pink Under Armour top, and yep, that's about that. Someone's barbecuing outside and it smells so good. I'm trying to convince Owen to take me somewhere so I can have a burger, because I really want a burger after smelling the barbecue, and I feel like because it's Friday, I need to have a burger. So today's shout outs go to, thank you everyone for answering the last question. Today's question is going to be, what is your favorite animal? Only reason why I'm asking that is because there's birds outside the window. Scarlett, my lovely, lovely dog, did this. If you're new to my channel, you may not know this, but I bought a brand new laptop in October. It was like my birthday gift. My lovely German Shepherd chewed the charger. Chewed it completely. I guess she chewed it when we were sleeping. Let me show you guys a little better here. It's completely chewed. I need to go buy a charger today. We also got a new lens, actually. I got myself my nice Rode microphone. I'm hoping the audio is like better for you guys. I'm loving it. This is the new one. It's huge. It is a macro 10 to 18 millimeter with a stabilizer. So we're probably gonna go out today and try this out too. If you guys want like a video of all my filming stuff, let me know. Thanks to everyone. We hit 1,000 subscribers. That's like amazing, and it's still like we're still going up. I thought we were gonna hit 1,000 and then to go back down to like 999 and 995 and then go back up to 1,000 and then drop back down and go back up. I thought it was gonna do that, and then as soon as I hit 1,000, it was like 1,001, 1,003, 1,005, and I think we're almost at like 110, and I'm just like, thank you. So thank you to everyone. I will be doing Q&A soon so you guys can get to know me more. If you haven't entered my Yode watch giveaway, you definitely should. That's going to be in the description down below for you guys, so definitely check that out because they have beautiful watches. If I wasn't wearing like pink and this today, I would definitely be wearing it. It's just today was kind of like a cozy day for me. So I will see you guys very soon. Turn the music off. Are we going to the gym? Are we going to Staples? Where are we going? We're gonna go to Staples because, like I said, Scarlett ate my laptop charger. I am so full. How was your food?
Good.
Good? I guess that'd be a short vlog from Owen. My food was good. This is his current favorite artist right now. I don't think I know this song.
No.
Oh, yes, I do. All right. I'll see you at Staples. So what are we looking for?
Charger?
I don't see any.
No.
Then this is going to be a little bit of a problem. I need a charger. Ooh, these are pretty. These are nice. These would be nice for summer because I don't want the cloth to get full of sand. And if I get a hard one, it won't get full of sand. The one thing that I find with mine though is the keys, because the keys on it are butterfly. Because everything gets stuck in these. Because it's like butterfly, which is annoying. Very annoying. But these are not. So luckily this was only like $25. I thought it was going to be a lot more. So I was like, I don't want to pay for that because that's going to be like a lot of money, because whenever I go and like look at things for Apple, it's like a ton of money. Those little adapters to like hook your USB into or charger is like $25, right?
I don't remember.
Thanks, Owen, for paying for this for me. I bought lunch, which was $35. He bought me this, which was $25. So where's my $10? That's okay, I'll get you back. Now we are going to go to the gym. Go to the gym. It is leg day, and then finish our running around, go home to the pup, and tell her to not eat this new charger. One day I'm gonna have to let Owen grab the camera and talk.
Why?
Because we'll see how much footage you guys get.
Minute 30.
1 minute and 30 seconds, not even. Hi, I'm going to the gym. I just cleaned the car. It's a good day, but
Basically, yeah.
This taxi driver looks like he's yelling at this lady. We finished at the gym and now we're heading back home. And apparently Scarlett's, what? Apparently Scarlett's done something. So Owen's dad texted us 2 pictures. Here's the first one, where she's just kind of outside, looking all fine. Now here's the second one. Now remember how I said she chewed the laptop cord? Well, we told her she couldn't come with us today. And when we tell her she's coming out with us for a ride or to the shop or wherever, and we put her harness on, she's coming and she wants to. And if she doesn't, she gets very mad. So the room looks like this. Comforter looks like that. We're gonna see her reaction when we get back. So that's my charger. And there goes our blanket. Don't get a dog. Do you want this one? She only chews important things. What did you do? What is all this? What is all of this?
No, on the bed. On the bed. What'd you do? What'd you do? No.
Were you bad? Hey,
What's this?
this is what she did. She literally chewed up the comforter. If you were thinking on getting a dog, well, we're gonna wrap it up here because I've got a mess to clean up. I've got a dog to deal with, and then we'll see you guys Monday. Bye.